Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a British 1971 Elizabeth II 1 new penny. I will also give you some tips on posting these kind of coins for sale on our website. Just watch till the end. This is the very first issue of British new pennies. Really quick about its physical features. Metal composition is bronze, that's alloy mostly containing copper and tin. Weight is 3.5 grams, diameter 20.3 millimeters. The 1 penny coin is currently the lowest circulating denomination of British pound sterling after the half penny was demonetized in 1984. New pennies issued in 1971 have now been circulating for more than 50 years. To avoid confusion between the old and new coinage, all three coins initially had the word new incorporated into reverse design. This was later removed. Oversight features a crowned and draped young bust of Queen Elizabeth II facing right, so-called second portrait. On the reverse, within a beaded circle, a crowned portcullis with chains, an adaptation of badge of King Henry VII. As obviously seen, this new penny is massively tarnished, copper totally turning glossy black around the rims and legends. Also strong patination is observed on the hair part of Elizabeth II. Must have been impaired by direct contact with water or undergone prolonged exposure to high humidity. When oxygen binds with copper, they form a new molecule known as a copper oxide. Copper oxide is brownish or sometimes black in color. Despite all massive piles of tarnish, design elements are sharply struck and surfaces display minimum wear. Few contact marks catch the eye on the throat area. Rims display numerous nicks and dents. Reverse side of a coin also shows heavily tarnished surfaces. We even see significant amount of green oxide layers. Inside cells of Portcullis, surface of the fields exhibit some pinkish hues over predominantly grey, light brown surfaces. Softness on higher points is minimal here as well. Now let's find out current value of this coin and learn for what price range these coins are sold online. According to NGC price guide, at mint state 63, these pennies are worth at least 130. At mint state 65, 180. According to recent sales records on eBay, ungraded and mostly circulated 1971 new pennies sell for $1 to $15 depending on condition of a coin. For instance, on May 30th, these piece at allegedly extremely fine condition ended up selling for $1.39 at online bidding on eBay.